Last week, I encountered a phishing attack attempt where someone impersonated a police department by sending a fake email to my official ID. The email contained false legal threats. It had logos of Madhya Pradesh Police, Cyber Cell, CBI, Intelligence Bureau, etc. What they were doing? They were trying to intimidate me into taking some action. Basically, these are the classic examples of phishing attack attempts where cyber criminals use various tactics to deceive the individual. I have taken the screenshots of the email so that I can.
Now let's look at the email. When I opened the email, I found that mail has come from Bureau Police and email ID is crimeunite@gmail.com here. I could not see the other recipients to whom the same email may have been sent. BCC had my email ID and reply to had a different email ID. And subject is legal action to you. So subject is something like this, that if individuals see some subject line like this, he or she may be under pressure, or there may be some panic attack, and person may commit some mistake or can be trapped easily. That is why they use subject line like this. And if someone replies, or if I reply, then my reply will go to this particular email ID. Now what they have said, that if you do not take the action within 48 hours, then there can be a legal action. And here it says that Mr. Tapan, Director of Police, Special Crime Unit. People who are not aware, they come under pressure and in panic they reply, and they may say that I have not done anything, why are you sending me the email and all that stuff. Actually they do not realize that this is the fake email, or this is a phishing attempt, or phishing attempt is a kind of a cyber attack. So for cyber attack, cyber criminal is adopting a technique called as phishing attempt.
So it is important to verify the authenticity of any communication before responding, especially when it comes to legal matters. Always check the official sources and never provide sensitive information to unverified entities. Always stay vigilant to protect yourself from these type of phishing scams, because phishing is still most of the common type of trap. I have created some videos in the past also on phishing attempts and other type of common tactics which are being adopted by the cyber criminals. You may see those and explore the Cyber Pathshala YouTube channel.